つく It means attach. つく つぐ It means inherit. つぐ見る It means examine. 見る釣る It means fish. 釣る知る It means know. 知るつくつぐ見る釣る知る Now we know 5 words. Let's check how many words do you remember. Quick quiz. Number 1. How do you say fish in Japanese? A. 釣る B. つく C. つぐThe answer is A. 釣る Number 2. How do you say no in Japanese? A. 見る B. 知る C. つくThe answer is B. 知る Number 3. How do you say attach in Japanese? A. つぐ B. つく C. 見るThe answer is B. つく Great! Let's move on. 寝る It means need. 寝る盛る It means leak. 盛る積む It means pick. 積む湧く It means spring up. 湧く聞く It means listen to music. 聞く練る盛る積む湧く聞く Now we know 10 words. Let's check how many words do you remember. Quick quiz. Number 1. How do you say pick in Japanese? A. 積む B. 湧く C. 盛るThe answer is A. 積む Number 2. How do you say need in Japanese? A. 盛る B. 湧く C. 練るThe answer is C. 練る Number 3. How do you say spring up in Japanese? A. 聞く B. 湧く C. 盛るThe answer is B. 湧く Great! Let's move on. 押す It means recommend. 押す刺す It means point. 刺す会う It means meet. 会う、会う。する、する。It means print. する、する。出す、出す。It means put out. 出す、出す。押す、刺す。会う、する、出す。Now we know 15 words. Let's check how many words do you remember. Quick quiz. Number 1. How do you say print in Japanese? A. 出す B. 盛る C. する。The answer is C. する。Number 2. How do you say recommend in Japanese? A. 押す B. 刺す C. 出す。The answer is A. 押す。Number 3. How do you say meet in Japanese? A. 聞く B. 会う C. する。The answer is B. 会う。Great! We have a fun and good news for you. My new coloring book is on sale at Amazon.com. The title is Kawaii Japan Trip by Very Kawaii Club. This coloring book will make you imagine you are traveling in Japan by coloring in your room or anywhere you like. Coloring is a healthy way to relieve stress and helps your body relax. Let's enjoy your creativity with coloring book Kawaii Japan Trip. And our first Japanese workbook called Japanese Hiragana Practice Workbook by Japanese Smiles is also published. In this workbook, you could learn all Japanese alphabet hiragana and the writing system by easy-to-follow tracing. And you also learn basic Japanese greeting phrases and more than 100 vocabularies in hiragana writing. It's a super easy Japanese practice workbook. You can find it at Amazon.com. Thank you for watching. ご視聴ありがとうございます。If you'd like our video, please subscribe and smash the good button. We deeply appreciate your taking the time to watch our video today. See you next video. またね